G'day folks, what I'm doing here is an unboxing video. I'm unboxing the iPhone tennis match or XS Max, and I got the space grey. You'll see here that the packet colour is a little bit different to the most commonly illustrated one, which I think is for the gold. So we'll see how we go with unboxing this. Okay. Well, that's a good start. Okay, put that over there, and the famous ease off the lid, which is one of those beautiful, robust Apple packages. We all know how wonderful they are. And there we go, designed by Apple in California. Hello, welcome to iPhone. I shall sort of read and study this later, I think. And yep, the usual Apple stickers. I know other people like them. I've never actually used them. The thing is sort of minute printing and a SIM removal device. This is going to be interesting. This is actually the first time I'm going to be doing the SIM for myself. Okay, now the magic beast. So we take that one like that, and everybody's favourite bit, removing the cellophane, which comes like that and like that, and a good deal of static electricity happening there. Okay, so there's that, and then here we have its little charging brick. You can always use more of those. Trusty earpods. This is actually an extra spare set, because I've got two. One that came with the previous phone, one bought separately because I forgot to take my earpods with me. And here is its little cable. Now, what I think people don't necessarily realise is that this doesn't come with wireless charging. That's sort of one of those many things you purchase separately. So let's have a look and see what it looks like. Okay, this is obviously the front. I'll figure out at some stage how I sort of get the thing going. This is the back. Very nice. I've got a case ready for it and a screen cover because I don't want anything to happen to it. And there we go. So I shall end this here because I think watching me attempting to insert a SIM card will be rather boring. And thanks for watching. Cheers, bye.